Good morning, madam. How can I help you today?
Oh, good morning. Yes, I'm looking for a whole chicken for a small family party tonight.
You come to the right place. Look at this bird right here. It is very big and beautiful.
Oh my, it is big. But let me think, how fresh is this chicken?
Don't worry about that, madam. It was delivered at 6 a.m. this morning. It is 100% organic.
I hope so. I always want the best for my family. But wait, this one is a bit too big for my pot.
Haha, we have many sizes. Let me find a smaller one for you.
Thank you. Please be quick. I have a lot of things to buy today.
I understand. Let's put this one on the scales. Look, it is exactly 2 kilograms.
2 kilograms. I think that is perfect for my family.
Great choice. Do you need some beef or pork too? They are very fresh today.
Not today, just the chicken for the party. Thank you, young man.
Haha, I understand. Let me wrap this whole chicken carefully for you.
Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Wow, the colors here are so beautiful. I love the smell of fresh fruit.
Good morning. Everything is very fresh today, madam. Can I help you find something?
Yes, please. I am looking for some sweet fruits for my kids.
Oh, these red apples are perfect. They are very crunchy and sweet.
That sounds great. But wait, I see a price tag over there. Are these on sale?
Yes, those red apples have a 20% discount today.
Wonderful. I will take 6 red apples. Now, let's look at these bananas. This bunch of bananas looks a bit green. Are they ripe enough to eat now?
These are a bit firm, but they will be sweet and soft tomorrow.
I see. Oh, I see a big sign here. Is it buy one, get one free for these grapes?
Actually, that deal is for the oranges today. You buy 1 bag of oranges and you get 1 free.
Oh my, that is a great deal. My kids love fresh orange juice.
Yes, and these oranges are not sour. They are very juicy and delicious.
I knew it. This is why I love shopping on Saturdays. Okay, I will take 5 apples, a bunch of bananas, and 10 buy one, get one free oranges.
That is a very smart choice, madam. Do you need anything else?
No, thank you. That is all.
Thank you, madam. Here is your bag and your receipt. Please pay for it at the checkout counter. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you so much. You are very kind. Sarah, oh my, is that you? It is so good to see you.
Hi, bestie. Look at my shopping cart. I am buying soda for the whole week.
Oh no, Sarah, I knew it. That is way too much sugar for your family.
I know, but soda tastes so good. Is it really that bad?
Listen, Sarah, fresh fruit juice is a better choice instead of soda. You know, soda has too much sugar and it makes your kids very active later.
You are right. They always stay up until 1 a.m. after drinking it.
Right? Fresh juice has many vitamins. It helps your family stay strong and healthy. Soda has no vitamins at all.
Wow, I never thought about that. Vitamins are very important.
And not to mention, fresh juice is sugar-free if you make it at home. It is a natural lifestyle. Your skin will look beautiful too.
Really? For my skin too? Okay, Mary, you win. I am convinced now.
Haha, I'm so happy to hear that. Let's put these sodas back on the shelf.
Yes, let's go. I want to buy some oranges and sparkling water instead.
That's my girl.
You are a great friend, Mary. Thank you for the healthy advice.
Aw, you're welcome, Sarah. Oh my, everything smells divine here. I love the smell of fresh vanilla and chocolate. Good morning. Welcome to our bakery. Are you looking for a cake for a special occasion? Yes, today is a big celebration. It is my son Tom's birthday. Aw, happy birthday to him. We have many beautiful cakes. Do you like chocolate or vanilla? Tom loves chocolate. Oh, I see a small chocolate cake with white cream and strawberries on top. It looks perfect. Great choice. It is our best cake. Would you like some candles too? Yes, please. I need 5 candles. And wait, can you write Happy Birthday Tom on it? Of course, madam. I can write it with white chocolate cream. That is wonderful. How much extra is it for the writing? It is free today. What? Really? Yes, we always do free service for birthday cakes. We want our customers to have the best day ever. Oh, thank you so much. You are very kind. How long do I have to wait? Please wait for 5 minutes. I will do it right now. Okay, I will wait here. Here is your cake. Happy birthday, Tom, is on the top. Oh, it looks very pretty. You are very talented. Thank you. Please say happy birthday to Tom for me. I will. Thank you for the great service. Have a nice day.
Good afternoon. Wow, you have a lot of healthy food today. Did you find everything okay?
Hello. Yes, I did. I have chicken, fruit, and a special cake for my son.
That sounds like a great party. Do you have a loyalty card with us?
Oh, I knew you would ask. Yes, I do. I have had this card for 2 years now.
2 years? That is a long time. You must really like our shop.
I do. I love this place because the food is always fresh and the staff is very kind.
We love having you here. Let me check your points. Oh, wow, Mary.
Is there a problem?
No, it's great news. Today, you have exactly 1,000 points on your card.
1,000 points? Oh my. Does that mean I get a special discount?
Yes, for 1,000 points, you get 50% off your total bill today.
I knew it. This is my lucky day. I also have this coupon for the chicken. Can I use it too?
Let me see. Yes, you can. You are a very smart shopper, Mary.
I try my best to save money for my family.
Okay, after the 10% discount and the coupon, your total is $60, please.
That is a very good price for all this food. Can I pay by card?
Of course. You can use your credit card right here.
Perfect. Let me tap my card, and it's all done.
Thank you. Do you need a bag?
No, I always have my own cloth bag.
That is great for the environment. Here is your receipt, Mary.
Thank you so much, Jack. I am so happy and ready for the party now.
You're welcome. Have a wonderful celebration with your family.
Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more useful English lessons. Now we have a fun homework for you. Please comment below and tell us, do you like shopping for groceries? Have a nice day and we'll see you in the next video.